Start by removing the dry eye mask from the box. Next, microwave the mask for 20 seconds. To increase heat, add an additional 5 seconds, but do not exceed 30 seconds. Always touch test before placing over your closed eyes. If the mask feels too hot, wait 1 to 2 minutes before reapplying. Apply for 10 minutes or as prescribed within 30 minutes. An added benefit to the premium dry eye mask is that the mask can be removed from the blue sleeve and washed. Be sure to hand wash in cold water after use for best results. For best results, clean eyelids with OCuSOFT Lid Scrub Eyelid Cleanser after use to remove any oil, debris, or other contaminants. Next, take out the lid scrub from the box. First, tear open the sealed packet and remove the lid scrub wipe. Next, unfold the lid scrub wipe and wrap around your forefinger. Then, with your eyelid closed, use side-to-side motions to scrub your eyelid and eyebrow clean. Then, wrap the other side of the wipe on the other finger, and repeat the same process on the other eyelid. Remember to wash your eyelid afterward.